wish your happy wife, happy life. Again, here in my terrace, and I'm doing or with my friend an exercise today. On my last video, I don't know how to do the hula hoop, which I keep trying my best. And now I got it. So stay. See, I know a little bit more than the first day, the second day, the third day, the fourth day, and the fifth day. Now, I don't. Of course, it's not just a hula hoop because it gets boring for all my viewers. I also do some exercise. Because in the beginning, I do hula hoop like I'm a frog. Everything on my body is moving. But now, I can do a little bit easier. You see that? I am be proud of myself. 45-year-old lady having a hula hoop. Yay! Maybe I can move like my friend do. Yeah, I can move. Come on, up, up, and then I can turn. I think that move. Yay! 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 I can. You see, I can move, not just like standing. I can even turn. Okay, that's enough. I have some few exercise here at home, so I can drag in every corner. And not every day I do every equipment. It's because I also get tired. So, like this one, I can only do this few counts. Especially if I'm tired already from other exercise. Para makita din ba? Nagsasalit.
Ano lang ako dyan?
Enjoying with my friend company, and it's good I have company because it's not easy that you do exercise alone in the house, because only me and my husband and my dog is in the house. So my friend every day come here, so we have some fun exercising. She's doing hula hoop while playing her phone. Easy for her. See, I see, I see, I see, I see. Oh, I see. I cannot do that. I can do it only little because it's a beginner. I'm a beginner anyway. But you know what? For the first day, I keep trying. I have so much pain here because I want to do it. I want to know it. So I really do hard work. But the results the next day have pain. So the next day I only do a little bit. But now every day it's already like 5 days. 5 days, I don't know, 5 days I think I do it. So I know a little bit more. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.